Thanks for helping me set up the stable, Casey. Spark and Tuck are gonna love this.
You're welcome, Piper. I even prepared Tuck's favorite treats, apples.
Do you know what the horses are gonna dress up as?
No, I don't. Maybe they want to make it a surprise.
Well, if it's a surprise they want, then we'd better finish decorating the stable. That's odd. I just taped that pumpkin over there.
Maybe we need stronger tape.
I don't think so. But let's keep decorating.
Piper, I think the stables are haunted.
The stables aren't haunted, Casey. It's probably just the fairies playing tricks on us again.
If you say so.
Look, Casey, we have to finish decorating the stable before the horses get here. They're super excited to go trick-or-treating.
Okay.
Ah! You scared us.
Yeah, we thought you were getting ready to go trick-or-treating in your mummy costume and your ghost costume, but you just wanted to play tricks.
Well, now that all the tricks are out of the way, I think it's time for some treats.